Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English grammar subject verb agreement. In our previous class, we have discussed some of the rules of subject and agreement. So, while dealing with the activities 1F, I made a mistake. Just 1 minute. Yes, here is F. Fish and chips is are not so expensive as chicken curry and rice. I told you the right answer is R, but actually it is wrong. Could you understand? The right answer is. Okay. Now let's move to the next rules of subject verb agreement. Yes. 6. If a clause separates the subject from the verb, it is necessary to remember the actually subject word and to make the verb agree with it. All the books which have been placed on that table are mine. So, here the sentence is separated by the clause. Just 1 minute. This is the clause. Which have been placed on the table. Yes, this is the clause. The sentence is divided by the clause which have been placed on the table. The sentence is all the books are mine. So, the verb are agrees with the subject all the books. Could you understand? Similarly, the radio which you gave my children works perfectly. Here is also a clause and it divides the sentence. It is in between a sentence. So, let's draw a dividing line. This is the dividing line. Yes. And this is a dividing line. The clause is which you give my children. This is the clause and it is in between the sentence and the sentence is divided into two parts. The radio works perfectly. So works is the verb, S is used, it is singular and it agrees with the subject the radio. Could you understand? Now let's move to the next point. If a subject begins with either of, neither of, none of the following by a plural noun or pronoun, the verb is usually singular. Either of the boys, yes. Either of the boys has you know, has a verb, singular verb having s achi, so it is singular. So either of the boys have got a prize. Neither of them have plural, has singular because s is used. So jehetu s lagichi, neither of them has come. None of the students has arrived. Has is singular, you know. Use of plural verbs in these cases is considered informal and such verbs are sometimes used in conversational English. Each of one of its usually takes a singular verb. Each of the students, those students plural, but ଆମେ ଦେଖିଦେବା was ହେଲା verb, ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ରହିଲା subject, subject ହେଲା is of the students, ଆ ଭିତରେ of ଲାଗିଯାଇଛି, ଏଣୁକରି तो हेड नाउन डाला इज मन रखि सब्जेक्ट इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज मेड अप मोर देन वन वर्ड द हेड नाउन कम्स एट द एंड ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट और नाउन फ्रेज but if a preposition is used in a phrase noun phrase the head noun comes at the beginning of the noun phrase मन रहा जदि नाउन फ्रेज टारे बा सब्जेक्टा तो गोटे सब्जेक्ट इज ए नाउन फ्रेज जदि सब्जेक्ट रे प्रिपोजिशन लगिनी तेबे सब्जेक्टर शेष पदटा हूँ हेड नाउन ता सहित वर्ब एग्री हम जदि सब्जेक्ट बा नाउन फ्रेज रे प्रिपोजिशन लगी जाइए ताहाले तार हेड नाउनटा प्रथम पदटा हम एवं से प्रथम पदटा को धरी वर्ब एग्री हम सिमिलर इज द केस ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज द नाउन फ्रेज आप प्रिपोजिशन व्यवहार होइए एणुक ईच डाला हेड नाउन ता सहित एग्री है वाज सिमिलर इज केस वन ऑफ द गर्ल्स ये अप प्रिपोजिशन लगी वाज है वर्ब ता पूर्वटा है सब्जेक्ट से नाउन फ्रेज है नाउन फ्रेज वन ऑफ द गर्ल्स तार हेड नाउन हूँ वन सहित से एग्री हम सिमिलरली लेट्स लुक रिविजिट अगेन एइदर ऑफ द बॉयज हैज ए वर्ब तार प्लेस तार पूर्व रहा सब्जेक्ट एइदर ऑफ द बॉयज द नाउन फ्रेज रे ऑफ लगी प्रिपोजिशन एंड एइदर सहित से एग्री होची नेइदर सहित एग्री होची सो ऑलवेज सब्जेक्ट हेड नाउन सहित ही क्रियाटा राजीनामा होता है दैट मीन्स वर्ब इन ए सेंटेंस एग्रीज विथ द हेड नाउन इन द सब्जेक्ट could understand where there is only one subject or one noun phrase or one head noun where there are more than one head noun we will discuss about it in the later part could understand yes now let's move to the next point if no or some is followed by a singular noun it takes a singular verb if it is followed by a plural noun it takes a plural verb no child is singular so verb is singular has singular so no child has done his homework no children the children plural so verb is plural have is plural you know so no children have done their homework some water is left in the pot some water is uncountable noun so it is singular some girls countable nouns and plural so verb is have plural so some water is left in the pot some girls have gone on a picnic next when and connects two titles or a designation of the same person the verb is singular दीटा कि 10टा टाइटल था बट गोटे लोक आगे एणुक से सिंगुलर तो इफ दि पर्सन रिफर टू आर डिफरेंट द वर्ब इज प्लुरल किंतु लोकटा अलग अलग गले सी दैट इज प्लुरल दि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा से गोटे लोक आगा ही इज द पर्सन who is the vice president of India is the chairman of राज्यसभा मन पड़ा सी आएगा वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सी आएगा चेयरमैन सो पर्सन डेजिग्नेशन आर मेनी मोर देन वन बट पर्सन इज वन सो इट इज सिंगुलर द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा हैज गिवन हिज कंसेंट टू द बिल सो हैज singular verb is used. The Vice President of India and the Chancellor of University were invited to the convocation. Vice President is a separate person. Here Chancellor of University is a separate person. But the governor of the state and chancellor of the university are the same person. So in that case that is singular, but in this case it is plural. To indicate that the person talked about are two separate individuals, we use the definite article the before each person as in the second example above. Now let's move to the next point. Yes, what is that? If the subject begins with a fraction, bhagnansha, 2/3, 3/4, like this, 1/4, half. So if the subject begins with a fraction, the verb agrees with the noun that follows the fraction. Fraction को पर जोड़ आउची ता सहित एग्री होची. 2/3 is a fraction, योड़ भग्नांश. Of the acid uncountable noun. So the verb is singular. Has singular. 2/3 of the apples countable nouns. So as apples plural, the verb is plural. R is plural, is singular, am singular, was singular, are plural, were plural, have plural, has singular. If the subject begins with a good deal of, a great deal of, a lot of, plenty of, most of, some of, etc., the verb agrees with the noun that follows such phrases. A lot of people, people plural, so verb is plural, where its singular is was. A lot of people were present at the meeting. People plural, verb also plural. A lot of money, uncountable noun money, so verb is singular. A lot of money was spent on buying clothes for the marriage ceremony. Some of the students countable nouns and it is in plural form, so verb is plural. Where, was singular, were plural. Some of the music uncountable noun, always singular. So some of the music was excellent, was singular, Phrases beginning with a congregation of, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a head of, that means congregation dole samavesha, crowd bole dole, flock of dole, a group of dala anchare, and a regiment of usually take a singular verb in spite of the fact that the noun after of is plural. A crowd of people was shouting slogans. A crowd of people, though people is plural, but verb is singular. A head of elephants, plural, still verb is singular. A group of smugglers was arrested yesterday. Okay, now let's move to the next point. Yes, it is C. A number of followed by plural noun takes a plural verb. But the number of in a similar situation takes a singular verb as the real subject is the number. A number of children are suffering from a cold. The number of the sick children is increasing. So here a number of children. In this case, the verb is plural. Kind of पिला संख्या बुझाऊँ किंतु एटा the number of the sick children is increasing. संख्या को बुझाऊँ से पिला को बुझाऊँ पिला संख्या को एटा केवल संख्या. So statistics, mathematics, physics, economics, news, measles, mumps, advice, information, jewelry, scenery, etc. are uncountable nouns. They take singular verbs. ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କହିଥିଲି ନାଉନରେ ଯଦି ଏସ୍ ଲଗା ଯାଏ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବିକମ୍ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ୍. କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମର କେତେ ସବୁ ନାଉନ୍ ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକରେ ଏସ୍ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ଥାଏ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ପରମାନେଣ୍ଟ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ଏସ୍. So it is the permanent element of the word. like statistics, mathematics, physics, economics, news, measles, mumps. These are the original words. A C is not added to it. So they are singular. Physics is my favorite subject. Measles जोटा कि आम मिलीमिला बसंत रोगटा कहुए. बसंत रोग तीन प्रकार था, चिकन पॉक्स, measles, smallpox, etc. So measles is an infectious disease. The news was bad. No information is available now. Okay. Now let's move. Yes, activities 2. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate auxiliary verbs. Either of the boys आम डिस्कसन करें एइदर आप बॉयज नेइदर आप बॉयज एगुड़ा जदि वन अप लगी माने always singular. So either of the boys has own, that is has own. Just 1 minute, we will do it. Yes, has. Neither of these officers is efficient, jogya. Yes. One of his friends is able to speak English fluently. So we can use one of his friends, we can use is okay, singular. If somebody uses was, no problem. Some honey days left in the pot. Some honey is left. Why? Because honey is uncountable. Okay. Next one is E. The governor and the chancellor of the university mu kahithili the same person, no separate individual. So the governor and the chancellor of the has been invited. Has singular. Just 1 minute. Yes. Next one is 3/4 of the crop was or is damaged. Was damaged or is damaged. Both are correct. So 3/4 of the crop was or is damaged by the flood. A great deal of money is spent or was spent. A great deal of money was spent for his mother's treatment. Was is right. Next one is a whole regiment of volunteers is working here. Is the number of scholarships. What did I say? The number of scholarships increased this year. So has, singular has, body has. These days mumps is not at all difficult to cure. Verb is singular. Okay. Today we discussed some of the rules of subject verb agreement. We will have more discussions in our next sessions, next classes. Till then, bye. Thank you.